Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about Introduction to Horticulture, the word meaning and divisions of horticulture. The word horticulture was first used in 16th century. Liberty Hyde Bailey is known as father of American horticulture. He was first president of Society of Horticultural Science. M.H. Marigouda, father of horticulture in India. Now, what is horticulture? The word horticulture comes from two Latin words. Hortus means garden and colere or cultura means culture. Thus, horticulture means cultivated gardens or culture of garden plants. Basically, horticulture is referred to gardening or plantation of different crops like fruit crops, vegetable crops, flower crops, ornamental plants, etc. But modern horticulture may be defined as a part of agriculture science which deals with the production and utilization and improvement of fruits, vegetables, flowers, ornamental plantation crops, medicinals and aromatic plants, etc. So basically in horticulture we study about different fruit crops, vegetable crops, flower crops, ornamental crops, plantation crops, medicinal crops and aromatic crops. Now the branches or divisions of horticulture. The first division of horticulture is pomology. The word pomology derived from two Latin words. Pomum means fruits and logos means study. Thus, pomology means the study or cultivation of fruit crops. For example, mango, apple, guava, pineapple, lychee, etc. The next division is olericulture. The word olericulture derived from two Latin words. Oleris means pot herb and cultura means cultivation. Thus, olericulture generally referred to the cultivation of herbs which we grow in pots, or olericulture literally means pot herb cultivation. In the modern day, it is broadly used to indicate the cultivation of vegetables like okra, potato, carrot, radish, onion, garlic, etc. The next one is floriculture. This word also derived from two Latin words. Florus means flower and cultura means cultivation. Thus, the floriculture is the cultivation of flowers or study or cultivation of flower crops. For example, rose, jasmine, marigold, etc. Next one is arboriculture. This branch of horticulture deals with the raising of perennial trees meant to shade, avenue, ornamental purpose. For example, cassia, gulmohar, polyanthia, etc. In arboriculture, we grow the trees or perennial trees for shade purpose or for a pathway. There is another branch of horticulture is known as viticulture, in which we study about the cultivation of grapes. Thanks. Stay at home and be safe.